of disassembly. Check the workplace. It should be at room temperature and clean. The working table should be clean and has a rubber mat. Prepare the tools needed for troubleshooting. Test, diagnose the computer set. After testing the PC, remove other peripherals and separate the one with problem.
Sige, Irvin.
If the problem is the system unit, remove first all the back panel connectors in sequence. Power supply, monitor, printer, sounds or speakers, network connectors, keyboard and mouse. Discharge. Discharge yourself in 2 minutes by holding any metal objects you'll not use. Discharge the system unit by holding the casing until it cools down. Discharge yourself again. Position the system unit. The back panel should be faced in front of you. Get the screwdriver and open your system unit. After opening, remove its cover and place it in a safe place that will not disturb you. Get the static strap and clip the alligator clip to the ground or on the cover of the system unit. The position should not disturb you in troubleshooting. Examine the internal of the system unit if it is clean or not, and check the screws. Prepare your ball pen, paper, motherboard manual, and other manuals. Get the screwdriver. Get your paper and ball pen and list down all the parts of system unit installed and remove information. Remove all the power connectors inside the system unit. ATX power connectors. ATX power connectors. Hard disk connectors. System unit fan connector. all the flat cables, IDE flat cable connectors. These flat cable connectors. And SATA flat cable connectors. Remove the memory module. Avoid touching the pins of the memory module and put it on a safe place. Remove all the expansion cards, video card. Sound card, LAN card. And additional devices. Remove the switch connectors. Before you remove, write down the label of the connectors and its designated positions. Use magnifying glass and flashlights. Remove the heatsink cover of the CPU. Remove the heatsink cover of the CPU. Remove the thermal paste. Remove the CPU. Remove the motherboard. Place the screws on a safe place. Remove the drives. Remove the hard disk drive. Remove the CD-ROM floppy disk drive. Remove the CD-ROM and floppy disk drive.